So what we have here today is a Freightliner tractor, an M2 tractor. There's no AC fan. So you turn it on and there's no fan. Well, no power is going here. You put this here. You see there's nothing. So I have this apart down here, the fan. I'm not hearing the fan. So we're gonna go out to the fuse compartment and check. So here's the fuse assignment. The F2 fuse is for the blower, which is here. See F2 here. We're gonna check the fuse. I have some stuff lined up already. The test light. That fuse is okay. And that fuse come out from this green connector here. And it's on this wire. I have a back probe there. So you know the power is coming there. Sometimes what happens with this fan is that you see that's this connector here. These are labeled, but I can't see the label here right now. Sometimes this pin gets spread inside, so you just use a small screwdriver or something and squeeze it back in. You see it spread out. Sometimes you see a little black spot where it starts to burn from the resistance. So if you look at the wire in the back, this black wire is the ground, and this is the positive wire to energize the fan. So I have the probe here in the black wire. You really shouldn't do this. You should probe it from the back, because you don't want to spread the pin too much. So you're going to test this with the test light. You can see the test light light up there. All of this is hard wired. So I may do go through the control module, but this is pretty much hardwired. So there's no concern for feedback to the computer with the test light. I mean, it's just a quick test. So we can see we're getting power here. The fan just wouldn't engage. So if you look at this fan, this is what the original fan it came with. And the original harness. So we have a new fan here with a new harness, and you see the difference in the setup of the back of the fan. And then they give you this jumper harness to fit it up. I'll show you what you're going to do with that. And here's the part number for the fan. So if you trace the wire to the left side, you would see this connector here. You just disconnect this, and with the harness you just plug this one in right here. You don't have to take this out, you could just leave this there, and then you would just wire tie this, come over, and then here with the original connector that go into the fan, we're going to use this piece from the harness they supplied. See? And this is going to go into the new fan. So this go into the back here. We're going to replace the old fan now. So we're going to replace the old fan. It's just 3 screws, 3 T20 screws. Make sure there's no debris inside. sometimes plastic bag. Get inside. I've never seen it on this truck, but I've seen it on other trucks. And then you just plug it in. And that's it, that's how you replace the fan. You can see where it's spinning there. Along with the fan, we're going to replace the filter also. Here's the filter number. I have an earlier video that show you. You see with the arrow? So the arrow is supposed to be pointing away from the fan. I didn't show you taking this cover off, but in the earlier video it's there. But that is basically this cover, and this cover just go here. It's the same T20 screws. Alright guys, so that's how you replace, well, that's how you check and replace the fan for the Freightliner M2. Good luck.